how to use DM me sticker on Instagram. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can use the DM me sticker on Instagram. Okay, so guys, in the latest update of the Instagram we have got another sticker, that is DM me sticker. Okay, so in this video we are going to see how we can use that sticker. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's start the video. And guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel as well. Okay, subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing what you have to do here is go to your Play Store and make sure to update your Insta. Okay, so just type Insta and then guys you can get the application and update it right now. So after you update your Instagram to the latest version, go back to your Instagram. Okay, turn on your Instagram and then guys you have to go to your story. Okay, so guys, please wait once. Okay, I need to exit this. Number is invalid, so I don't know what's happening. Okay, first I'll close this. Let's go here. And then guys, as you can see, you have to click on your story. Okay, click on your story and then guys, to use DM future, first click a random picture. Okay, just click a random picture, whether it's black or if you want to take it from gallery you can take it. So now click on the sticker store. Okay, here you can see you have to click on the sticker. And then guys, this is your DME sticker. So tap here and after that, as you can see, type something. So whatever you want to type you can type it. Okay, so guys, what will type? Who will win? RCB or CHE Chennai. Okay, so guys, just type like this and then click on the done option. So after that guys, as you can see, you can use two fingers, okay, to manage your uh this sticker. Okay, so after that you can put some interesting stickers again. So let's put some interesting, so give it here. Okay, so now after doing all those things, after setting up everything, click on the send option. And guys, you this is the option to share it on your share button. Okay, so click on the share and after that people can see your status. Okay, people can see your story and from there they can DM, they can message you on your DMs. Okay, so this is how you have to use your DM sticker on Instagram. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. And guys, if you have any kind of confusion, problems, you can simply comment us below. Thanks for watching.